Hi everybody, this is course Technology Evaluation and Negotiation. Uh, my name is Wilmer Estrada, tutor English Tatiana Gomez. Continue advertising billboard of intellectual property barrier. Uh, One exercise processing time. Two, no new ideas are generally that are susceptible to obtaining record. Three, lack of information or benefits. Four, unfavorable cost-benefit balance. Five, little effectiveness in product protection. Fees difficult meeting requirements. Seven, low internal management capacity. Concept make exercise processing time, cause and effect. Cause it is mainly produced by the ignorance of processing times, the exercise procedure time, also the ignorance of benefits when making a crop which has an impact on the increase in the annual cost produced and unnecessary loss of money. Effect many industrial companies to not registrable protection model option they enter into confidentiality agreement or contract with employees, also making confidentiality agreement with other companies, pledging industrial secrets to protect intellectual property, and seeking high complexity in the design of their products. Recommendation get correct basing on the recording and producers that are required for proper registration in the intestine in the church. Evaluate the people of intellectual property to be by registered and decide how the correct registration will be carried on, whether it will be virtual or in person. Thank you.